Hey everybody, welcome back. With this pandemic happening around us, it can get pretty boring at home as we're self-isolating, quarantining ourselves, which is why I'm going to show you 25 things we can do while in self-quarantine. Let's get started with some golf. Work on your golf game. It can be on a hardwood floor or on carpet. Take the time to wash your car. Find a fun do-it-yourself project. Read a book or article. Learn a new language.
Ingénieur.
Catch up on some laundry. You've probably let it pile up. Declutter your closet. Do some home workouts. Find a TV series worthy of binging on. Dye or cut your hair. Pick a few items from your fridge and see what you can make of it. Film or edit that video you've been wanting to work on. Pot or seed a plant. Take the time to finally write that book or article you've been wanting to. Take an online course. Go for a hike, but keep your social distance. Revisit and revise your goals. See what you're missing. Learn to twerk or a new dance. Why not? Take the time to pray or meditate. Start a side hustle. Everyone should be doing that. Take care of yourself. Adopt or foster a pet. It's a great time to do so. Give yourself your own manicure and pedicure. The last thing on this list of things to do while you're self-isolating yourself is hit that subscribe button because you're going to want to see more videos. And if there's something I missed, just mention it below in the comments because I'm definitely going to need more than 25 things to do on this lockdown. See you in the next one!